are feeling the chill early this morning. We have air temperatures now at or below zero across the whole area. The cold spots right now look like Rochelle, Mount Carroll, and Galena. All three spots sitting at 6 below zero at this hour. And that's just the air temperature. You only need a little bit of a breeze and you get wind chills that just tank. And that's what we're seeing this morning. Much of the area in the teens below zero in terms of the wind chills. DeKalb close to 20 below, but we do see 21 below in terms of the wind chill in Mount Morris, as well as in Monroe and Stockton at this hour. So very cold temperatures, in fact, dangerously cold. And you just saw Monroe switch to 23 below at the latest observation. So that once you get into that kind of territory, you could see frostbite settling in on exposed skin within 30 minutes. So you want to really take it seriously. If you are heading out, just cover up as much exposed skin as you can. Cold weather advisories are in place area-wide until 11 a.m. for this potential. Wind chills will stay below zero throughout the day, though. But tonight and this time tomorrow, we are going to be seeing the coldest of this Arctic blast. We have wind chills potentially as low as 30 below for tomorrow morning. So cold weather advisories will go back into effect at 9 p.m. and that lasts until noon on Tuesday. So when we see these kinds of wind chills with that threat for frostbite settling in within a half hour, you really want to try to limit your time outside if you can. If you need to head out, just cover up as much exposed skin as possible to prevent that frostbite. You also want to try to cover up those exposed water pipes to prevent them from bursting. And then also make sure to keep the gas tank at least half full to prevent any kind of issues with your car. So today, later on this afternoon, those air temperatures getting back into the single digits above zero. But when you factor in those winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour at times, like I mentioned, we'll keep those wind chills below zero all day. Then tonight, clearing skies allow temperatures to drop yet again. So overnight lows near 10 below with those chills down towards 30 below. So dangerously cold weather once again for early tomorrow morning. But the day tomorrow going to be pretty similar. It's single digits for highs, wind chills staying below zero throughout the day. Now this isn't quite record-breaking cold. We get close to the record cold high temperature and the record low temperature for today. Not quite as close into tomorrow. So it's not quite record-breaking, but this is just about as cold as it gets this time of year. But thankfully, the light is at the end of the tunnel here. We do have highs in the teens heading into Wednesday and Thursday. We'll keep a slight chance for some snow on Wednesday. Not too concerned about that threat, but we'll just keep the slight chance there in the forecast. But otherwise, this weekend, we start to see a warm-up on the way, getting back above freezing by Sunday. And look at what happens next week. Highs in the 40s, feeling tropical heading into the last week of February.